Today we're going to be talking about editing video and audio in Adobe Premiere. We'll be talking about how to import media, select shots, edit to the timeline, add transitions, add and adjust music, and output the show that you've made. So once you upload Adobe Premiere, you're going to get this window that shows up, and we'll click Create New Project. And then you want to name it, and I'm just going to put my name in here. And then you want to probably change where you want your project to go, and I'm just going to put it on the desktop. And then for your capture format, you want to change it to HDV. And then we'll click OK. So this is your workspace. First thing you're going to want to do after it loads is go to your panel up here at the top and click on Window, Workspace, and then make sure you click Editing CS 5.5. And this will show you all the available windows that you can work with. On your left, in the left top panel, this is your media panel. This is where you can import your audio and video clips. So to import audio and video, you're going to go to File, Import, and then I'm going to find the folder that has all my video clips that I want to use. And I'm just going to click on all of them that I'm going to use and click Import. So to select your shots that you want to use, you can just double click on them and they'll show up in this center panel right here. And this is where you're going to set your markers in and out. So you'll start the video where you want. I'm just going to start at the beginning and set my mark in with this button, and then drag through it and just stop there. And then once you do that, you can click and drag it down onto your timeline. And you can drag this back and forth to kind of see where you're at in the whole video. So then, since that one's done, I can just double click on another video that I want to use. Set the marker in and drag it to where I want it, and I'll just put it at the end and do that, and then I can just drag that onto my timeline as well. And you can see that we have the audio over it from the video, and I don't want to use that, so you're just going to right click and unlink it, and then if you just click on it and press delete, it'll go away. So I'm just going to do the same thing with both of these. Unlink and then click and delete. You go over to this bottom left hand panel and you click on Effects. You can go to Video Transitions, and a good one to use is dissolve, and you can do the cross dissolve, and if you just have to click and drag that onto the timeline where you want it to start in between the videos. So if we click play over here and see the video that we've made, you can see it kind of crossfade into the other video clip. So to add audio to this video, just double click the audio that you've put into this panel over here, and you're going to set your markers with this just like you would with your video. So I'm just going to drag through here, set my end time, and then you're going to take this little button right here in the middle that says drag audio only, click and drag into this audio slot underneath your movie. Then I can take it and adjust it to be as long as the length of the video. And also, if you take this underneath the A1 and it says toggle the track, and you can pull this down and spread it out a little bit, and this way you can see the left and right track of your audio. And if you hover over the middle line in here and pull this up and down, it can adjust how loud your decibels are. You can move it up and down for however loud you want it to be over the top of your video. And you can also use audio transitions as well over here in this left-hand effects panel if you would like to put in other audio tracks. So if we go back to the beginning of our video here, we can watch through it and see if we like how it looks. Alright, so when you're all done with that and you're ready to export it, you're just going to go up to File, Export, and click Media. And then for your format, you're going to want H.264. And the preset you're going to use, I'm going to use this YouTube 1080p HD. And then you're also going to want to click these Use Previews, use Max Render Quality, and Import into Project. And then hit Q. And this should open up Adobe Media Encoder. So when Adobe Media Encoder gets pulled up, you can see your project is right here, and all you have to do is just click this Start Queue button, and it will convert your project into an MP4 video.